Here is your 900-word script with no headings and including the Car Hub intro. Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where pure adrenaline meets the future of automotive engineering. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something that is shaking the entire supercar world. Lamborghini has just officially unveiled the next generation 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Super Turbo. And trust me, this is not just an upgrade. This is a full-blown revolution in speed, power, and futuristic engineering. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about hypercars forever. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Super Turbo arrives as the wildest evolution of Lamborghini's design language, combining razor-sharp aerodynamics with futuristic aggression. This machine doesn't just look fast, it looks alive. The moment you see it, the first thing that hits you is the new aerodynamic redesign. Lamborghini has pushed the Revuelto's already radical styling deeper into extreme territory. The front fascia has been sculpted with even more angular airflow channels, creating a razor-edged face that cuts through wind like a blade. The U-shaped LED signature is now sharper and brighter, giving the car an unmistakable presence even before the engine awakens. Air vents, active flaps, and a newly engineered carbon fiber aero system work together to generate massive downforce while reducing drag at high speed. The body is built almost entirely from a next-generation, lightweight carbon composite. Lamborghini has shaved off weight in every place possible, bringing in a leaner yet stronger structure that helps the Super Turbo achieve extraordinary performance numbers. Every line, every curve, every vent is engineered for maximum airflow efficiency. The aggressive stance, the widened rear hips, and the dramatically extended diffuser all scream performance. And then there's the new floating rear wing, active, intelligent, and more responsive and ever designed to adjust automatically on the fly based on speed, traction, and driving mode. Now let's move to the heart of this beast. The 2026 Revuelto Super Turbo is powered by a heavily re-engineered V12 twin-turbo hybrid engine. Yes, Lamborghini has kept its iconic V12 alive, but this time it comes paired with high-output electric motors that push performance beyond anything we've seen from the brand before. The combined output? A mind-melting 1,310 horsepower. That's right, over 1,300 horses, making this the most powerful Lamborghini production car ever built. The Super Turbo name isn't just marketing. This machine truly delivers supercharged acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in about 1.8 seconds. Let that sink in. That's quicker than most electric hypercars, quicker than jet takeoff levels of acceleration. And the top speed? Lamborghini claims it surpasses 410 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest production hypercars on the planet. The hybrid system features a state-of-the-art battery pack positioned for optimal center of gravity, with instant torque delivery that fills every gap in the power band. Whether you're cruising, launching, or overtaking, the power is always ready and always brutal. Lamborghini also reworked the transmission system, introducing a faster, sharper multi-clutch gearbox tailored for instant shifts under extreme loads. The all-wheel drive system functions with smarter torque distribution, allowing the car to grip like a predator on any surface. Track performance is another huge focus, with four-wheel steering ensuring precise control even in high-speed corners. This is a machine built not just for raw power but for intelligent, refined, track-ready handling. Inside, the 2026 Revuelto Super Turbo keeps Lamborghini's signature fighter jet interior theme but pushes the technology into next-generation territory. The cabin is a blend of premium Alcantara, forged carbon, and digital innovation. A fully customizable triple-screen cockpit setup surrounds the driver, including a new holographic-style display that floats key information right in the driver's line of sight. The center screen offers advanced performance tracking, telemetry systems, and real-time aero visuals, showing exactly how the car's aerodynamic components are responding during the drive. The steering wheel has been completely redesigned, with more driving mode selectors, offering modes like Strada, Sport, Corsa, and the all-new TurboTrack mode, which unlocks the car's full hybrid and turbo power in its rawest form. Every button, paddle, and control is designed for precision, reminding the driver that this is more than a car. It's a cockpit built for speed. Sound is another highlight. While hybrid systems usually quieten cars, Lamborghini has worked hard to ensure the Revuelto Super Turbo keeps its roaring soul. Open the exhaust valves and the twin-turbo V12 screams with a deep, aggressive note that blends mechanical thunder with electric torque hum. It's a sound unlike any other, a fusion of the brand's heritage with the future of motorsports. This car isn't just about speed and noise, it's about Lamborghini setting a new benchmark. It represents the perfect transition between traditional combustion power and cutting-edge hybrid technology. It's the future wrapped in the soul of Lamborghini's legacy. Whether on the streets, the track, or just sitting still, the 2026 Revuelto Super Turbo looks and feels like a hypercar from another dimension. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the big picture. Lamborghini created the Revuelto Super Turbo not just to dominate the hypercar world, but to redefine it. This isn't just another model, it's a statement. A declaration that Lamborghini is ready for the future while keeping the emotion, the danger, the drama, and the passion alive. This car is proof that the transition to hybridization doesn't have to mean losing character. Instead, it can mean unlocking a new era of performance. That was never possible before. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Super Turbo. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more next-generation car reveals, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Car Hub, bringing you the future of automotive excitement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.